The FUNMAS 3-in-1 dryer vent offers a comprehensive solution with its combination of a stainless steel screen, polyester filter, and water drawer system, effectively capturing lint and dust while maintaining a clean indoor environment. For convenience, the vent is designed to be easy to clean with a simple mechanism to remove lint and clean the water drawer, ensuring low maintenance with its long-lasting stainless steel screen. By allowing the warm air from the dryer to circulate back into the room, this dryer vent helps save energy, especially during colder months, making it an eco-friendly choice. The safety vent flap is a smart feature that automatically opens to prevent overheating, providing a clear reminder to clean the filter when needed. With the option to install it on a wall or directly on the dryer, this vent is versatile and adaptable to different spaces, ensuring optimal performance. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and the inclusion of multiple polyester filters ensures the vent remains effective over time.